Hello everyone. For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper and then fold it into half as shown, bringing either end to the center. Now fold it vertically as well and open one of the sides just a little bit diagonally. Fold over one of the ends inwards and then fold in both the long edges. We are making a dress, so make the straps as you please. For our next craft, take a bottle and cut it up. Take the bottom half and stick a ball of yellow clay onto it and flatten it on it. Repeat this with many balls of yellow clay. After this, you will take some orange clay and add beaks to each of the circles that you have made. Now add eyes. Now for our next craft, take a blue sheet of paper and make the folding marks as such. Fold it into half and then fold in the edges but not towards the center. After the triangular folds that you have made, fold the insides inwards and then bring out the external sheets of paper. As there are 4 sides, make sure that one of them is inwards. We will be folding the sheet inwards and inserting them into one another. They should look somewhat cross. Repeat this on the other side as well. Now turn the paper around. Once again, fold in the edges, making it look like a large diamond shape. Stick out one end of it and then make it stand on the legs that we have created. Now you have yourself a cute little animal. Bend the bottoms of the legs to make paws. For our next creation, take a triangular sheet of paper with one curved edge and make it into a conical shape and stick it using glue. Create some ear shapes out of the same orange paper and stick it on. Then add some eyes and then cut up some paper and make whiskers. Don't forget to add a tail. You should have a cute little rat. Next, take a pink ball of clay and then spread it and flatten it using a flat surface. Add white clay over it and make it into a square shape and cut it out using a sharp object such as a ruler. Cut the clay diagonally but not till the center. Leave a small circle in the middle and then fold over each of the edges. Add clay on top to seal it and then add a stick at the bottom. For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper, fold it over diagonally and then fold it over in the shape of a triangle. Now fold it inwards and bend in some of the sheets to make a square-like shape at the end of it. After following this step, you should be left with a house-like shape. Unfold one sheet of the movable bottom and separate its sheets, but bend the edges inwards and make a diamond-like bottom. This will make the bottom of the heart. We are making a heart with a bow. Next, take some gift wrapping paper and fold over 2 of the edges to meet in the middle. Next, make a diamond-like shape out of it and fold over the other side as shown. Fold it over longitudinally to make an oblong conical shape with the top, but fold in the top. Once you open it, it should look something like this, in a fan-like shape. Now open it up and push in the protruding edges. Fold over the bottom edge to the side and flatten it as much as possible. Bend the tip of it to make a head. Once you finish this, spread the fan-like shape that you have made and you'll have a bird. For our next craft, take some pink fruit foam net, add tape to the top half of it, and then stick another sheet on it. Taking another sheet of fruit foam net, cut it out and make it into the shape of a slipper and add it to the top that you have created. Take some more fruit foam net in the color yellow and then line your slipper with it. For our next craft, take a box and then line it with glue and stick some black fruit foam net on top. Take another sheet of yellow fruit foam net and cut out the edges at the bottom in triangular shapes. Add glue to another sheet of fruit foam net and then stick the edges together and tie up the top and invert it. You should be left with a pear-like shape. Then take green fruit foam net and stick it onto some tape. This will make the leaves for the strawberry that you have created. Thank you for watching.